Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have, I guess, like an unboxing and a haul video to share with you guys because I signed up for the CountryCraftCreations retreat for July. It is a virtual retreat, but it is 3 days and you're on Zoom and you're crafting with everybody and the live videos and tutorials and everything. It's gonna be so much fun, guys. I wanted to do their in-person one, but obviously the last one they had was in June and I still work. So now that it's July, I'm off for summer and I'm like, okay, I could take 3 days, even though it's a virtual retreat, and I'm gonna craft my life away, even though I've been doing that anyway without just a retreat. But this is so fun because it's like live and everything. And I've never actually done one before, but I've heard great things about them. So I wanted to sign up. And I signed up, I think it was in either November or January. I want to say November though, but it was quite some time ago that I signed up. So since it's coming up in the next couple of weeks, our boxes were shipped to us, and these are like complete kits and things that you're going to be using to make your projects, but there's always some left over, or at least that's what Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy says. She says there's always some left over so you can still make other projects and whatnot. So I want to show you guys what was in here because I was worried that it's going to be too vintagey. The retreat was called Crafting at the General Store or something like that. So I was afraid it was going to be too vintagey, but it doesn't look like it's going to be, and I'm so excited. I think there's only like one super vintagey thing inside of here. So there is instructions and whatnot for all of the projects, but I can't show you guys this because that's like the instructions to make all the projects and whatnot. Same thing with, this one just tells you what is included and who's going to be teaching you what. I am so excited. There's also like some of these goodies. There's some flowers in here, some handmade flowers from Little Birdie Crafts, which I shop there all the time. I don't know what these are. Foam dots, like foam sticker foam squares. There's some lace trim. You get like a full pack, so I doubt we'll be using this whole entire thing, so that we'll definitely have some leftover of that. What else is in here? Looks like we're going to be doing some painting because there's this acrylic paint in white, and then in here we have some buttons and some twine. So you get like everything that you're going to be needing to make like the complete projects. So I'm super excited. Let me just put all of this back because I don't want to lose anything. I was kind of afraid to open this because I don't want anything to be like accidentally misplaced. I want to be able to find it the day of the retreat, or the 3 days of the retreat. Gotta stay organized. So there's also, these are all packaged real good. So I think they're all separated by crafty project. So this next one, you have like this piece which looks like it's going to be part probably for a shaker, probably for here actually. That's probably going to be like a little shaker bit, and you get this like chipboard album base. So we're going to be making an album with this, so I'm super excited for that. And this is all part of that kit. You also get a 6x8 Summer Lovin' paper pad. I will open this up and show you guys. Just a quick flip through. Simple Stories paper likes to come apart, so I'm not gonna do like a detailed flip through showing you guys all the pages, but I'll just do like a quick little flip through. All right, so here's what that looks like. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. It's super duper colorful, but so summery. I just have to see what that taco sentiment was though. Hold on. Oh, so happy together. It's like a taco and an avocado. And then you also get the Summer Lovin' chipboard stickers. Let me tell you guys, I'm so happy this is not vintage. So happy. You get like these jemmies. And then you also get a 12x12 Summer Lovin' basics kit. So it's the plaids that go with that kit. And you guys know I love my plaids and stuff, so that's gonna be such a fun project to make. I cannot wait to make it. I'm definitely gonna try and make all of the projects during that crafty weekend. Okay, so here is another kit. I do see some chipboard here, so I'm not gonna take that out. Here it looks like we got some seam binding or just some kind of ribbon for our album. Got 2 colors in here. Yep, so we got like this blue and like a beige taupey color. So we've got that. I'm not gonna take out the chipboard, but I'll show you guys the other bits and pieces in here. So the collection for this, oh, and we got like some kind of felt or material piece. I don't know, this doesn't feel like, I mean, maybe it is felt, I don't know. But you get this Farmhouse Summer Collection Kit by Cartabella. This is a really cute one. Can't wait to make all these projects. Oh, this is gonna be so fun, guys. All right, so those are the papers. Oh, I'm gonna love it. Love, love, love. Oh, and the sticker sheet. There you go, there's the sticker sheet. So you do get a ton of projects that you're gonna be able to create. Tiffany always says like she never finishes like the projects during the retreat because she's like talking to everybody. And while I wanna have fun too, I also wanna be like, I gotta finish my projects, don't talk to me. But I also know like part of this experience is, you know, having fun and talking to people and chilling and, I don't know, getting to know one another. So, I mean, I always have the written instructions, so I guess I could always complete them afterwards, but I will try to do as much as I can during that crafty weekend. There's a few more kits in here, so let me go through this. This one is, I think, the most vintagey. Wait, there's a couple of vintagey ones. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put that aside, and let's just go through the next one before I get ahead of myself. So, this one I think is Tamara from CountryCraftCreations, her own design. Because I know she makes paper as well. So here you looks like we got some die cuts that go with this collection. We've got like this burgundy seam binding. We've got a frame already cut out for us. And you've got some of these, I think these are 8x8 size pages. You get 3 of these. And then this is like a cut apart sheet. Oh, this is like some, like this paper feels really nice. Some die cuts. Oh, and here's the back side. Then you have cut aparts and things. This one's nice. You guys know vintage is not my favorite, but we're gonna make the project anyway. Some cut aparts here, and the back side is the wood grain. And you get 2 of each. This is like a written kind of word paper, like a newspaper, and the back. Then here you've got, I don't even know what this is. Kind of looks like a pantry shelving. And then the back side. This design. And the back. This says general store. And the back side of that. Got this one. Then there's this. There's a lot of papers in here. I think my hard part, like I'm gonna make this project just fine. But the hard part will be trying to come up with something else to create with it. Especially because I don't love the paper. So that's when I find it to be the hardest and most difficult. And then, oh, here's another chipboard. 2 more pieces of chipboard, some solid burgundy kind of basil cardstock or basil, whatever it's called, and another one in like this green. So that is going to be another crafty project with this collection. It's gonna look cute though, because I'm sure this goes on the frame somehow. Not sure. We'll see the day of when we're making the project. Okay, we're up to project number 4. There's no way I'm gonna get this back in the bag. It's already like ripped on the side. It's just what happens when they're stuffed. Oh, there you go. Things just flew out when it's stuffed so much. So I'm gonna have to find a new baggie to put this into. But here we got some straws. So I wonder what we're making with this, but we got 3 straws. More seam binding in like a light ivory and looks like a dark blue. Some of these pieces, probably some kind of decoration for the cover or whatnot. This looks like it's another collection from Tamara from CountryCraftCreations. It's a 4th of July one, so that's fun. And although this is vintagey, I mean, 4th of July is just cute. There's this one, some stamps at the bottom, the back. There's this one. That's a pretty one. Oh, I like the music paper a lot. Even though it's vintage, I do like how music paper looks. This one's like a baseball field. Lots of paper in these collections. This is my first time having any of like Tamara's actual collections in my hand. And it'll be my first time crafting with them as well. I wonder what color base we're gonna do for this. There's some chipboard, 3 pieces. Yeah, 3 pieces of chipboard. And then this basil cardstock. And you also get this glittery, shimmery, like red one. So that's fun. That's another project that looks like we'll be creating. And there's one more that I'm gonna show you guys. This one I'm just gonna put aside like this because I need to get another baggie for this. I don't have a baggie, but I have this. So we're gonna go with this. It's like an envelope. I had to put it away because knowing me, something would have fallen on the floor and then it would have disappeared. All right, so that's another one. And then the very last one is a Minte collection. And this one looks so adorable. I only have one Minte collection and it's still sitting in my stash and I've yet to craft with it. So here is our last and final project, our 5th project. We have some chipboard already cut up for us and everything. Wow, this is some really sturdy chipboard. That's some super heavy duty chipboard. We have a 6x6 paper pad. Look how stinking cute this is. I absolutely love the colors. This is beautiful. There's this ribbon. You have these cardboard stickers. And then we have some basil cardstock in green, red, and like a shimmery blue. So this one's gonna be so cute also. I can't wait, guys. I cannot wait for the crafty retreat. We're gonna have so much fun crafting all the things. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have such a great time. So I cannot wait. I wanted to share with you guys what was in that crafty retreat box. I'm very excited. Let me know if you also signed up or if you want to sign up for a future one. I mean, don't sign up with me. I'm just curious, like, is this something you guys have been interested in? Let me know. I'm just wondering if you guys are. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.